These floor mats from OEDRO. These are for a 2009 to a 2018 Ram 4th gen. I'll be sure to leave a link in the description to where you can purchase them. I'll also leave a discount code. I'll go ahead and open them up and show you all how. Floor mat for the driver's side. It's really good quality. I really like them. I like them better than the Husky liners I have. Pretty much to install it, I mean, you just pretty simple. I mean, it has these tabs that truck comes with, and that's why it won't be sliding around, and you'll stay pretty. I mean, it won't move around and stuff. So I mean, that's how the Ram crew cab. I mean, this is the passenger side. It fits really well. Love how it comes with these emblems. Really high quality. I repeat, I mean, I could honestly say these are better than the Husky liners and a lot cheaper. So it does also come with the hole, so you could put the mat so it won't be sliding around. I mean, I ordered them 2 days ago, and I mean, I got them through Amazon. I mean, fast shipping. Also, I mean, comes very well packaged. I'm gonna leave a discount code in the description so y'all can go check them out and pick yourself some. Make sure to check them out. They also have light bars. They have I mean, a lot of truck or car. I mean, it fits really good. Excuse the mess, but that's the rear. Fits awesome. I mean, this is a